this spaceport, Mos Eisley is home to an elite rebel cell. Orders are to kill or capture all parties involved, but they're heavily armed and already on alert. Rebel Alliance forces are trying to evacuate our targets, so we'll have to lock down the entire settlement, starting at the junkyard and cantina. We'll ID the bodies in the wreckage. The junkyard should be ours shortly.
Squad securing the cantina!
Junkyard is fully secure. Squads proceed to the cantina. Expect heavy fire.
Turret is online. Skywalker has been spotted.
Back up to the cantina. We'll be done there soon. Is secure. The rebels are retreating deeper into the settlement. Maintain fire. Maintain pursuit. The rebels are trying to block us from the docks. That's where they're running to. Very well. We'll seize their rally points at the auction house and bazaar. Then go for the kill. Maintain position. We've captured the bazaar. Now seize the auction house.
Locking down the auction house!
are evacuating. Annihilate all enemies close by and advance. The rebels are boarding U-wing transports. I want those transports rigged for detonation. Let's ground the enemy and be done with this dust ball.
These rebels will fall!
Charges planted, timer set.
Yes, I can smell the slaughter from here. Is this a joke? Where do you think you're going?
Transport destroyed. The rebels are dead or trapped in Mos Eisley. Additional forces will sort the mess, but we're finished with this place.